we're going to do Allahu zikr. So we're going to everyone put your tongue in to your upper plate. Your tongue should be put into your upper plate. Okay? So then you're going to hold your breath. Hold your breath. When you breathe it in, so hold your breath and put your tongue to upper plate, and then your heart. Where is our heart situated? In our left side here. So all men and women, our heart is called. Quran mentioned as qalb. Hadith mentioned as qalb. Hadith Sharif said, "Kulli shay'in siqala, wa siqatul qulubi zikrullah." But they are saying to our heart cleaning just one thing. This is zikrullah. This is Allah's zikr. So we're going to make zikr Allahu. Like you say Allah, first what you should do? You have to, everyone, put your tongue, your upper plate, stuck it in upper plate. And then you breathe in inside. Then you should think by your mind. Say Allah is your left side. Allah. Then who? Like look to Allah. Who? Allah. Who? Allah. Who? Allah. No make sound. But how much you can hold your breath until how many? And our Budurgan and our Shaykhan say you can do it 21 times to 66 times. If you can do it, it will be see your result coming. But you do every day, any namaz after namaz, sit down, be quiet, come down and read 300 times each day. You see, if you have any difficulty, depression, you have in your family life, your business life, whatever your life, you see, it will get result, inshallah. This